Hey there, second graders. This is Mr. Schaefer coming to you live on this Fun Day Friday. We have our spelling test over our story Dogs, and it's going to look a little different this week as we are going to do this all in one presentation. So you'll need to click pause in between each word. So after I say a word in the sentence and the word again, you'll click pause, write it, and click play. Okay? Remember this week's words are over our long vowel sounds with our vowel consonant E, and I like to call it a say your name E, which the E at the end of the word makes the vowel say its name. So, remember to hit pause between each word, write it, and then hit play again through all 12. Alright, let's get started. Our first word is wipe. The boy is helping to wipe the table. Wipe. Number 2, prize. I hope I win first prize. Prize. Number 3, grape. There's nothing like a good juicy grape. Grape. Number 4, 8. The boy ate too much and got a tummy ache. 8. Number 5, size. What size shoe do you wear? Size. Number 6, plate. Please put your dinner plate on the table. Plate. Number 7, mine. This is a coal mine. Mine. Number 8, cake. I love a good chocolate cake on my birthday. Cake. Number 9, race. I wonder who will win the race. Race. Number 10, rake. Please rake the leaves into a pile. Rake. Number 11, pile. The wood is stacked in a pile. Pile. And number 12, line. The children are standing in a nice straight line. Line. Okay, guys, that's the end of the test. Make sure your name is on the top of your paper. And check over your answers and make sure you have all of the correct letters in your word. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day.